Unmute. Hi, Yash.
Hello, Meg.
How
Hello.
are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good. I still didn't get your PR. Um, Simon had a question about one of your ex-refs on your PR.
Hmm.
Uh, Actually, we should do this right.
Sure.
Um, I should turn on my camera and we should pull up. What would you like to discuss today? I assume you'd like to discuss your PR.
The in the last meeting, I had made around 3 PRs, and
Uh-huh.
it, I went to the contributing guide issue, and most of the small issue were solved, and only one issue was remaining. So total, I made 4 PRs there till now, which are solving small issues in the from the contributing guide.
Okay. So we have more open PRs that I've missed. I
Yes.
apologize.
We'll link the PR.
Let's see. Well, let's just go. We can just go look at the PRs, I think, and see what's out here. Come on. This mouse is making me crazy. There we go. Let's find some place where we can go here. Nah, the one I don't want. Um, okay, let's up to the top. Let's do it this way. And ducks. And Yash.
Yes.
Oh, swell. That's not working. Let's see. That didn't work. Um, okay. Okay. Is this one of them? I should tell you, let you tell me which ones. Which ones
Should
do
I?
we need to look at? Do you want to
Uh,
share?
yeah, sure, sure,
Oh, I'm not even sharing, am I? I was thinking of it. I'm looking at it. You, but yeah. Why don't you drive? And
sure. Is my screen visible?
yes.
So, so this is the one PR, which in last meeting 3 PRs I had raised, and there were some of the error regarding the DCO and some of the HTML tags. So I means made another commits in this PR, and now they are basically running perfectly fine. So one of the PR was this updating building docs locally. So in this, let me show you. Hmm. So after going to, so the PR was to create a building docs locally documentation in the documented contribution section, and
Uh-huh.
it's not here. Wait. Huh. So sorry, in the general section. So one regarding the technology got family, it was merged and made by some another contributor, and this
Right.
was made by B. Build documentation locally. And by clicking on this, we will get to this page, and this is the whole documentation where we can build the Keptn docs locally in a own local machine. So this is a documentation, one of the PR which was been listed in a contributing guide section issue.
Okay. So that looks ready to go. Everything's passed.
Yes.
Good, good,
It
good. Okay. Let me find
every
somebody else. We set it up. We have to get two people ready to approve it at the same time, and we both. I'm gonna go ahead and approve it though, because I can always approve it again, can't I?
Should
Um,
I link all this PR in the Keptn docs on my
link.
agenda?
Sure. I think yeah. I think I just copied it up there from last week's.
Sure,
So
sure,
let me review and approve, and then I will see. Everybody in Austria is off today, but maybe somebody will work tomorrow. I would really like to get these merged.
sure, sure. No issue.
So would
I
you?
would like
Yes.
regarding the KTL docs. Is there someone working on it?
On the
The
what? On
KTL.
what? I'm
Yes,
sorry.
yes.
On which topic?
Your voice is not audible.
Which did you want to know? Who's working on
The KTL architecture one.
the KL, KTO? What?
The wait, wait. I had the issue.
I'm sorry. My sound is
The,
cutting out. It's being weird.
the KTL docs regarding the issue. I need to check. Amisha had asked me regarding contributing to the issue, the
Okay.
KTL one. She
If
was working on it, but due to some due to some work, she told me that are you feasible to work on that? So I told that if my contributing guide issue get resolved, I can start working on that
okay, and why
because
don't you just comment to that you're going to do that, and then everybody will know.
sure, sure. I need to find the issue now and we'll let you know definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
this was one of the issue from contributing guide, and down this was the second one, updating the linter requirement section. So over here there was issue regarding there were some of the issue raised
Mhm.
regarding the links which are not working properly. So
Right.
after making some commits to this PR, now it's officially working over here. Let me check.
And it's passing.
Yes, it's passing all the requirement and Netlify and all DCO regarding. So
Okay.
I'm going to present read docs.
So
So
let's
it is
just
present
mark that
documentation.
conversation resolved.
Hmm. And this is
And
the final result over the website. Linters requirement. There were some of the lines also which need to be removed, and now it's working. Now this is a proper PR.
all right.
The linter
So
requirements, and
let's
it's passing all the necessary requirements. I can say.
okay. I'm just gonna
Oh
resolve that one.
yes.
And now what
Checks.
did all of Mo's are resolved? Okay, so we're down. And let me go in and approve that one also. And okay, I've approved that one. And
And
I'm
then uh, I made third PR a few days ago. Basically, it was also under the contributing guide. So it was regarding updating the docs, the source structure from the contributing guide. So over here, just wait. So it is also passing all the checks, uh,
okay.
and
Oh, except that workflow. I'll get that.
yes, and here is the output contributing guide. No, so of general, in
Ah, look at that.
documentation it's working source file structure, and it basically inside the whole if we click it will redirect us to the contributing god page basically.
Okay, that looks wonderful. Let's see.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna glance at that one, but as soon as we get off here, let me read through it
Sure.
quickly, then I'll approve that.
I
And
will
then I will
link
try to
this.
find somebody else and we'll get these things merged.
Sure, I will also link this. uh,
Oh shoot, that was
Hmm.
something else.
This
I
is the
keep
new PR.
saying I'll do these things. Let me remember to give you write permission to this file. The only reason we
Uh,
restrict it is because we don't want some hacker coming in and screwing stuff up.
mhm.
So, and you should have permission to write to this. And
Along with that, there was the 4 PR. The now it's I don't know. It's making an there is one check it's failing regarding the HTML one, but
uh-huh,
let's check. Wait. Mhm. This is the one. The check recently failed. The markdown one. So we'll make a commit regarding this. It was basically the general guideline section. We need to move from the contributing guide and need to create its own I can say folder inside the contributing docs repository. So it's also working, but the issue is the checks is getting failed. It is present inside the software. No, general. Hmm. So it's present over here, the contributing guidelines.
uh-huh.
So and after clicking on it, it redirects to the page where the whole information is present, the contributing guideline and the whole issue.
Okay,
Basically, in this issue, the one of the checks is failing, so I will make the changes required and will make a commit regarding this. The
okay,
markdown check, basically. So these were the 4 issue I had worked till now.
okay. And then so we just need to get those merged, but theoretically, those are you've got that one commit to do. And other than that, those
Hmm.
are done, right?
Yes,
Oh,
and most of the PRs basically are done from the contributing guide issue. The
oh, wonderful.
the epic issue that was created is this one. So landing page is done, general guideline is done by me, builds is also done, working with GitHub it is done by Amisha, docs
Uh-huh.
is done by me, linter is done by me, prerequisite is also done by Amisha only. Yes, the instruction, this is working, this I am working on it. The
Okay,
understanding, this was done by Amisha, and these two are these are working by, I can say, Ayush or something, this guy Pratik, and this is been done by David. So total 3 PRs are remaining from the whole contributing guide, which need to be resolved.
right.
The rest
Okay.
of them.
That's wonderful work. Oh, this will be wonderful if we can have that populated.
Hmm. I will like to get help regarding the issue instruction for setting up the environment. This one,
Mm,
this
okay.
one.
That's for
We'll
your
make
local environment, right?
yes, yes.
So the
Also,
information that's in there now isn't enough that's in
hmm,
the contributing.md file,
okay.
right?
So we need to make a brief, I can say, inform PR, or I can say acknowledgement regarding this issue. The steps need to be required, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And there is some material in contributing.md, but I don't know if it's enough or if it's accurate. It might be outdated. Um,
We'll check.
if you
We'll
have
talk.
questions about it, do you know Simon?
Yes.
Yeah, ping him. He's the one who knows that stuff.
Sure, sure.
Um,
Regarding this issue, we'll talk to Simon regarding the PR. Yeah,
right,
definitely.
for it to set up, and he should review it. Because he did, because I remember as he started out at first, there were like 5 or 6 steps, and he kept getting it down till we just got one. It was all one, make sure that Docker's running, and then you run make, and you're done.
Getting.
I
Sure,
think. But yeah, but check it with him. He knows that stuff.
definitely.
Okay. So what are your interests long? Do you want, is technical writing your interest, or do you want to get into more software work, or what do you want? You're good.
Recently, I started basically in a technical writing. So
Uh,
also now learning Golang to have some hands-on on software also. But yeah, I will like to contribute to both the stuff. Basically, docs will be more priority if we consider. But yeah,
okay.
we'll be
Well, I
to
mean,
the
you're
software.
good at, that's what the thing is. You're making your contributions. Let's make it stuff that you want to do.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah, basically, I'm scrolling to the other issues regarding the software. So some of them tend to means I'm not able to I can say understood them, but yeah, basically making slow progress towards that also. So getting an
Okay.
overview about the whole project.
Okay. Are you one of those that one task about creating a new Kepton's metrics environment?
Yes,
Um,
that one.
that was one of the, are you one of the, are you interested in working on one of those? Because I think it's a couple of other people that was, we tried to have it as a GSOC project, it didn't get approved. But yeah, there's stuff. And I think what some people have said is that I think people like Pratik are starting to work on, they're gonna like develop the metrics provider and document how you do it at the same time.
Sure. If it
So
is, this will belong to the software one, na?
mhm. Yeah, so
Sure,
that
sure,
gets into software, yeah.
definitely.
Another interesting one, since you are good at both software and documentation,
Mm.
we have a killer coda uh exercise almost done for KLT and it needs finishing. And that involves a little bit of coding and a little bit of documentation and all put together. And we probably need some more killer coda tutorials too. So that's one, if it interests you, some people find that fascinating, other people find it very boring. So
We'll check out about it. Yeah, sure. Like if it is regarding having some hands-on like, on Keptn in software, then I will have a try regarding that. Definitely, we'll like to get some hands-on regarding Golang. So yeah,
okay.
definitely will.
And are you can you make can you is the refinement meeting at a time that you could join?
Means the community meeting.
The community meeting is on Wednesday, I believe, and the refinement meeting is on Tuesday. I'm
Okay.
always
Uh,
confused because I'm
where can
off time,
I?
but what I was gonna say, the refinement meeting is where all the core engineers are. And that would be a
Oh,
good place to say, okay, I've done all this doc work now. What would be interesting for me to do as a software project? And I
sure.
think they have some interesting stuff out there, perhaps.
But where can I get the information regarding the refined meeting? Is there any documentation or page?
Oh, I'd love to have you keep working on the documentation because the world needs more good technical writers too.
I will keep on contributing.
Okay, good, good.
Regarding the KTL one also, I will talk to Amisha once. Then I will talk to you regarding the KTL one. This was one of them. And there was one another issue regarding the KLT one. Sorry,
Yeah,
and we'll talk to Amisha once, and then we'll coordinate with you. It was
right,
regarding the docs only. Sure.
right. The migration guide, and that's going to be, yeah, I'm kind of working on that, but yeah, if you want to play with that, we could. And I put that up for the, I'm not sure if we're going to do refinement this week because Giovanni's, but either, um, but to get in, because the problem, of course, is that there isn't a straight Keptn V1 and KLT are so different. There isn't going to be a straight migration. We're going to have to be creative about,
Okay.
what you can use and how you reuse it and stuff.
Hmm.
So, but I'd love to have some help on that.
Sure.
Uh, so
Yeah.
cool, cool. Okay. Um, so anything else you need, like to just, are you finding, by the way, are you finding it a reasonable process to contribute? Because I'm concerned
Yes.
that we've set up tools that make it awfully difficult to contribute, that we're going to
No, no.
discourage people. You think it's
That the
acceptable?
Yes,
Uh,
basically in starting I was bit confused, but after making 1 to 2 PR, I got comfortable while contributing to Captain. Yeah, there is no issue.
okay. And now the contributing guide that you're writing, I think will make it easier for the next people, right?
Yes, we'll also share about the good first issues which are present on Slows, Twitter and all, so the other contributor can come on start contributing.
Right. And something to think about is, the first step was to take what we had. And while you're still new to this, you might think about, is there something, if you came into this now, would it be easy? Or do we need something up front that says, if you want to contribute to documentation, do this, do this, do this, do this, and link to the
Hmm.
individual? If, something like that, if it would make anything that you see that would make it easier for the next people to come along, feel free to go ahead and just add that in. Do a
Sure.
PR that adds that in. So
We'll
cool.
uh, we'll do about that. I have some plans, but yeah, we'll check the issues and we'll talk to you.
Okay, excellent. There are new issues out there that I should look at, or you'll do some?
I can work on the new issues, also the
Okay,
prior one. I will work. I will try to comment on the issue which I will like to work, so that you can also get information regarding the issue I am working.
okay,
It won't be best.
okay. And I think you now have write permission to the agenda. You could try that, but I think
Yes.
if you write something, you see if you write something.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Now it's
Okay,
appearing green. So yeah,
it's
I have
you are
the.
a real person. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. And once we get one of these PRs merged, you'll stop getting that little orange warning on all your PRs. So,
Which one?
oh,
Uh,
there's, I forget, I've cleared most of them, but that little orange thing about it's weird about something has to be approved. Once
oh,
once we've approved one of your PRs, I think, yeah, workflow's awaiting approval. That will go
oh,
away. I will get rid of.
huh, getting.
Oh, so again, security stuff because there's weird people out there who like to go out and just throw PRs up to cause havoc. So we
Yes,
have a
yes, yes.
control on somebody for their first one. Then once they've done one, you're considered approved and all is well.
Okay.
Very nice work.
Yes.
You've done excellent work, and I know we've been hard on you for this, but you've done really nice work. I'm impressed.
Thank you, Meg. And
Okay.
thank you and Simon for guiding me during the starting point.
Yeah. Well, and you've helped us too, so it's good. It's a win-win situation.
Yes.
Okay, so is that it? Shall we call it a meeting?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, terrific. And we'll talk to you next week. See if you can make the refinement meeting. And
Sure, we'll check about it. Sure.
yeah, okay. Terrific. Have a good week until we talk again.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.